Hey there, welcome to another video. Today, we're going to tackle a pesky problem that some Windows 10 users might encounter. Picture this. You're on your trusty Lenovo Carbon 6th Gen laptop with 3 screens, and when you try to launch Task Manager, the window mysteriously refuses to show up. Frustrating, right? You can see a tiny thumbnail of the Task Manager window when you hover over the icon on the taskbar, but clicking on it does absolutely nothing. Talk about a real head-scratcher. Here comes the solution. One suggestion is to try using a higher resolution display. This might magically bring the elusive Task Manager window into view. Once you've got it centered, you can switch back to your preferred resolution. Another tip is to utilize the keyboard to try and move the app window into view. As a wise person named Daniel B. once said, keyboard shortcuts can work wonders in situations like these. And don't forget about running Task Manager as another user. You can either change users or take advantage of tools like Power Run to give it a go. Sometimes a fresh perspective is all it takes to solve a stubborn problem. In summary, when faced with a Task Manager that's playing hide and seek on your Windows 10 laptop, there are a few tricks up your sleeve. From adjusting your display settings to getting creative with keyboard shortcuts, you have options to bring that elusive window back into view. And if all else fails, there's always the trusty Process Explorer by Microsoft sysinternals as a workaround. So give these solutions a try and get back to managing your tasks like a pro. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy troubleshooting.